What's up, YouTube? FD White back with another episode of FD White Invest. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So we back for another exciting week. Looking at Bitcoin, we had a nice little pop for Bitcoin, up to about 60. Let's see, we got up to 64.7, give or take, almost 65K. But we didn't hold, we didn't close. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. We didn't close above there. Now we're back to 63.3. So Bitcoin is having a hard time closing above that 64 to 64.3K level. So, I mean, futures for stocks are opening up. Looks like they might open up a little bit green, a tad bit green. So we're going to keep our eye out on the stock market. But as far as Bitcoin goes, we cannot move further along. We cannot continue higher until we break that 64K-ish area. So what am I doing this week? I'm watching this level. I'm not trading right now. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm looking at this channel that we are in for Bitcoin. If you can see it right there, we are still in this rising channel, with the bottom of the channel coming in right now at about 62,008, and the top of the channel, let's extend it out, coming in at about 65.8. So we can, I think if we do break out of this 64K range, I think we'll probably get up to about the 65.8 range, or the 65K, I mean the 65,800 range fairly quick. And then ultimately I have a red line drawn at about 67,300. So like I said, man, we're sitting on our hands right now. Sometimes the best trade, if you're trading, sometimes the best trade is no trade. And right now, the best trade for me, I don't feel like scalping. I don't feel like, going through all that stressful stuff today. It's Monday. It's already like stressful enough, but not that stressful. I'm blessed, man. So I just don't want to scalp. I don't want to scalp. So I'm looking for a longer term trade, not super long, maybe like a couple days. So if we do break that 64K level, hold that, then I'll open some sort of smaller swing trade, maybe a couple days, to see if we can ultimately get back up to that 67K level. And I might just hold it. I might just hold it back up to all-time highs, but we have to break the 64K level, man. Let's look at some altcoins right now. Altcoins are, some of them are up. We got Stacks up, Potcat up 6%, Dogecoin really not moving. XRP a little bit flat at about 58 cents. Ondo up 5%. Arweave up 8%, almost 9% WorldCoin. So we got altcoins moving a lot. We do have Bitcoin dominance coming down to about 57.6%. So looks like a lot of the money that was in Bitcoin is coming over to altcoins. So that's good if you want to trade some altcoins. So speaking of that, we might start trading a little bit of altcoins today, just because it looks like we're getting a little bit more of some liquidity flowing into altcoins. So I will look at that. But for the overall market, the overall economy, let's look and see what happens this week for data coming out and things like that. So this week we have FOMC members speaking. Today we have Bostic speak, so he probably already spoke. That was at 8 a.m. We have manufacturing PMI, flash PMI. Then at 10:15, we have Goldsby speak. He's part of the FOMC. And then we have Kashkari speaking, who's part of the FOMC at 1 p.m. Tuesday, we have another Fed member speak. We have Bowman speaking. We have CB, consumer confidence. I don't even know what that is. That's probably not going to do too much of anything. Wednesday at 10 a.m., we do have new home sales. And then we have another FOMC member speaking, Kugler speak. So a lot of FOMC members are speaking this week. So we'll have to see what they say and see if it confirms, or coincides with what Jerome Powell was saying at the meeting last week. Thursday, we have unemployment claims. We have durable good orders. We have final GDP price index quarter over quarter. Then we have 1, 2, 3 more members speaking, and we have Fed Chair Powell speaking at 9:20 a.m. and then we have a host of other people speaking. We do have Treasury Secretary Yellen speaking at 11:15 on Thursday. So we have a lot of people speaking this week. And then that's pretty much it. We have U of M consumer sentiment on Friday, and then we have a couple more Fed members speaking. So I think with all these Fed members speaking, it will confirm what Jerome Powell said. Jerome Powell said the economy was good. Jerome Powell said the labor market was okay. They just didn't want to see it deteriorating anymore. So this is just what we're going to be looking at. This is what I'm going to be looking at for the rest of the week. Like I said, make sure we keep looking at Bitcoin. We want to hold that 62. Let me make sure I got it back. I think it was 62.5K level for Bitcoin. So it's about 62.8. We want to hold this 62.8K level. Around 62.6 to 62.8K level for Bitcoin to continue our uptrend in this channel. So that's just what I'm looking at. We're going to get a little bit more in depth. This is just me, telling you what I'm looking at before I make my morning walk, and then I go in and get on the chart. So this is FD White. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. Peace.